if you are a programmer or you are just learning how to code, this video is for you. So somebody sent me a message and said, please talk about coding. So today I'm going to show you exactly how you can use ChatGPT to make your coding faster and easier. All right, let's get straight into it. All right, so I don't want this video to be very long, right? So I'm going to go straight to the point. Now, as a programmer, let's say you want to ask ChatGPT for a code snippet or template, right? You can literally tell ChatGPT what you need and it will give you a working code. That's for sure. Now let's take this for example. Let's say you are building a login form in Python, right? You just have to go to ChatGPT and write something like this. Write a Python login form with username and password validation, right? Now ChatGPT will give you a ready to use snippet, right? Then you can copy it and tweak it a little bit and it's super fast. That's why I told you guys, with ChatGPT you can literally do everything you want to do. I mean almost everything, right? Now let's say you are programming websites for a client, right? And you got stuck with an error, and all you have to do is just to copy that particular code and paste it on ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT something like, why am I facing this, or what's wrong with this code and everything, and ChatGPT will explain what's wrong and how to fix it for you, right? And this is what I use almost every time, right? So anytime you face any error while maybe you are coding or you are programming anything, just copy it and copy the code and paste on ChatGPT and it will explain everything for you. So another one is learning new concept fast. Now let's say you are not sure how a function or library works, right? You can ask ChatGPT something like, explain Python decorators with a simple example, right? You will get an easy to understand explanation. So it's just like having a tutor 247. The last but not the least is optimizing your code. Now you can ask ChatGPT something like, how can I make this code faster or cleaner, right? And trust me, ChatGPT will give you suggestions to improve your code quality, right? So you can use this prompt when your project feels messy or slow. So I want you to go and check one of your old script and see how you can improve it with these tips I have given to you, right? So I want you to drop a comment on the comment section. Tell me what coding problem you want me to be solving next. Peace and love.